Hi dear friends, welcome to Indonesian and English learning channel. Today we have another news and our news is about Nigeria. Nigeria border closed. The Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, will open an investigation to explore the impacts of Nigeria's border closure. ECOWAS promotes economic integration of its member countries, and heads of the states agreed to form a committee that will look into the impact that the closure has had on Nigeria's neighbors. Nigeria's plan was to limit import and exports and to stop the smuggling of goods such as rice. A spokesperson from Nigeria's president said that the committee will study the impacts and make a full report about them. There is no deadline for the report, but Nigerian officials said that it will be done as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching, and this is the end of our news. See you in our next video. Bye.